Hey life fam, hello dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making granite soup. Yeah, this delicious granite soup people are saying right here. So guys, if you want to see how I achieve this pot of goodness, keep on watching. So how are you guys doing? I trust you guys are doing well. I trust you all are doing great. So guys, let's get cooking. So guys, here is our groundnut or peanuts. Over here I have bitter leaf, which is soaked in the meat stock. Here I have assorted meat and also our fish. So I started by cooking my assorted meat and also the stock fish, which is already in the pot. I just season it with Maggi, some spices and salt. So now I'll be adding the dry fish. Yeah, this fish was so dry, so I had to add it to soften it up a little bit. And then my fish. So I'm going to be covering it and allow it to cook. So I also added some cayenne pepper to the meat and the fish. So just to give it that spicy taste a little bit. So while the meat is cooking, I'm going to be blending my groundnut or peanut. I'm just adding a little bit of crayfish. That way my blender can blend it very well. So in the other blender, I have tomatoes, Scotch bonnet and some onions. So I'm just going to be adding the groundnut and just blend everything together. But this is optional though, you can choose to cook it just like that. So now I'm adding some water. So now I'm just adding some oil to the pot, some palm oil to the pot. I'm going to heat it up a little bit. And then just pour the groundnut mix. Yeah guys, this is one quick and easy recipe, okay? It's so quick and easy, and before you know it, your soup is ready and you're good to go. So cover and cook for about 5 minutes. And then it's time to add our meat stock and bitter leaf. So now I'm going to be adding the meat and the dry fish. And also the fresh fish, the boiled fish. Now I'm going to be testing for salt. So I'll cover and allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. You can see how soup is bubbling. I'm just tasting for salt again. So I'm going to be adding 1 little seasoning cube. I used some to boil the meat already, so we are not adding that much. So at this stage, I'm going to be adding salt.